Good morning, students. Now we'll discuss how to make a polyhedron using 8 hexagon, 6 octagon and 12 squares. Okay, so it is a combination of octagon, hexagon and squares. So you see, already I made this one. Okay, so this is a 6 octagon, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and hexagon 8 members. See 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and squares 12 numbers. So each faces 4, 4, 4, so 12 numbers. So after cutting this net diagram we'll get this one. Okay, let us see. So I'll join this one, octagon and 8 hexagon and 12 squares. Okay, for this required a half chart paper for 3 centimeter side. Okay, half chart paper, scale, pencil, eraser and Fevicol. So I have taken the cutout of a hexagon 3 centimeter side and a square of 3 centimeter side. Octagon, hexagon and square. So first what we'll do, we'll start with squares. So I'm keeping here. So I'll draw the outline. This one. Then octagon. So if you draw like this, so you can complete your work quickly. Okay, first octagon, and we'll take the points. So we'll join the like this. So okay, then again square. So for each octagon 4 side squares are there. Now again octagon. Now the squares. Now join the sides. Now again octagon. Now one more at the top side. So this is O1, O2, octagon 2, octagon 3, octagon 4. So 2 more. So this is O5 and O6. So 6 octagons are over, and this one square S1, S2, S3, S4, S5, S6, S7, S8, S9, S10, S11, 12. Okay, so now hexagon. This is a hexagon. So each side of the square, both sides 3 centimeter side. Draw the outlines. So this one hexagon. Okay, H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, H6, H7 and H8. So octagon 6, 12 squares and 8 hexagons are over. Now we'll draw the borders, taking 1 centimeter as width on both sides. Now I'll cut all sides. Neck diagram is over. Now I complete the neck diagram, and now folding is required. Now folding the sides and border. Folding the sides and borders. So last will get like this. So beautiful, and it can be used for making science project. For the science project, it is a mold for the candle, decorating candles and everything. Thank you.